Oreo, huh? Little sweetie. Yeah. Grandma, so sweet. Look at the little position on my bed. Oh, sweetie. Huh? Was a clean little sweetie. She's here when I pet her. Oh, there's one in there. You should have seen her getting up here. She's like, oh, I'm gonna lay here, move around my bed till I'm comfortable. Just checking out some sounds. Anyway. Hey, baby. Oh, yeah, mom's downstairs. Aw, you like being photoed? But you're such a star. You love rubbing your head on my feet when no one's watching. I'm just kidding. It's a weird joke. Oh, you're so sweet. Oh, she never meows like that. That's so cute right now. No. No. Yeah. I'm just getting up. I think she's going over. Oh, there you go. She wants to be pet, that's all. Oh, she fell over. She likes to be scratched on the head. No? I'm not gonna scratch her while filming just because, like, I could touch her bad area and she'd, like, hiss at me, so. Hold on. She gonna. Yeah. Yeah, she's my. Oh, girl. Here, watch this. Watch this. Hurry up, hurry up. Come here. Come on, fan. She loves it so much. She's here. Yeah, it's my fan. Took a picture for Billy. Hey, come here. Come here, let me pet you. Let me pet you. She wants to be a pet. Oh. So good baby, huh? So good baby. Look at your face. So cute. Alright, I'm gonna stop now. That's my cat Oreo. Billy, this is her. She's a sweetie, and she loves licking and rubbing head on feet. Or she likes licking our feet and, yeah, so hold on. Hey, not my chair!